Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Can you make puri without any oil? Yes, you can make. But to be frank, the taste and texture won't be the same as you make it in a traditional deep fry method. If you want to eat healthy, give this a try. Today I'm gonna share how to make puri in an air fryer without an oil recipe. It's a little time-taking process, but I guess it's worth it. I was experimenting a couple of methods, but this one worked best so far. If you really want to try puri without any oil, you should give this recipe a try, but try to do it with a couple of puris for the first time to play with the time in your air fryer, because every air fryer is different. For me, it took only 3 minutes to cook. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Let's get started. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of salt. Adjust the salt as per your taste. Mix the flour and salt together. Add water little by little and make a dough. If you want, you can add 1 tablespoon of oil while making the dough. The base of the bowl has to be clear. Now it's done. Cover it and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, the dough is soft. Knead the dough for a couple of minutes. And take a small piece of dough and roll it like a small balls. Dust the working space with flour. Roll it flat like a chapatis. This thickness should be fine. Puri's puff depends on the thickness only. If you roll it very thin, it won't puff. Let's steam the puri in an idli steamer or instant pot for 5 minutes. Brush the oil. Place the puri in it. I'm steaming it in an instant pot. Pour a cup of water into an inner pot. Place the idli pan. Make sure the vent is in the sealing position. Select the steam option and set the timer for 5 minutes. Once it's done, do a quick release. Take out the idli pan carefully. Let the steamed puris cool down completely. It takes 2 minutes. By the time, we'll preheat the air fryer. In my air fryer, I'm selecting air fry option and set the temperature at 390 Fahrenheit and time for 6 minutes. But the puris will be done in 3 to 4 minutes. Let it preheat the air fryer for a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, place the steamed puris in tray or basket. Keep it inside and fry it. Keep an eye on it after 3 minutes. Don't expect the same taste and texture as traditional deep fried puris. They won't be the same for sure. But you want to eat healthy, you can try this. Can you see the puris are puffing? It's done in 3 minutes for me. Wow, look at this. I'm gonna fry the other two puris for a couple of minutes. Our oil-free puris are ready to be served. Enjoy it with your favorite curries. Let's dig in. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.